Lamborghini is more than just a car brand, it's a state of mind where raw power, innovation, and unmatched design come together to create machines that defy convention and leave a lasting impression on anyone lucky enough to get behind the wheel. From the iconic roar of the engine to the precision engineering that goes into every detail, there's simply nothing like a Lamborghini. Lamborghini has finally announced the replacement for the mighty Aventador. Introducing the new Lamborghini Revuelto Hybrid, the limited edition V12 flagship that will leave you breathless. With its stunning design, advanced technology features, and a hybrid system that takes performance to a whole new level, this hypercar is the epitome of automotive perfection. Join us as we dive deep into the specs, features, and everything you need to know about the Lamborghini Revuelto Hybrid in this exciting video. First, let's talk about the specs of this hypercar. The Revuelto Hybrid has a 6.5-liter V12 engine, capable of producing 814 brake horsepower. Combined with the boost from its trio of electric motors, the total output comes to a whopping 1,001 brake horsepower. This power is delivered to all four wheels via a 7-speed automatic transmission. The car can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of 217 miles per hour. What makes this car unique is its hybrid technology. The Revuelto Hybrid is Lamborghini's first hybrid production car, and it features a 48-volt e-motor that works in tandem with the V12 engine. The electric motor is mounted directly to the transmission, and it provides instant torque at low speeds. This helps the car to accelerate quickly and smoothly without any lag. The e-motor also acts as a generator, converting energy from braking into electricity and storing it in a battery pack. The hybrid system not only improves the car's performance, but also its efficiency. The Revuelto Hybrid has a fuel economy rating of 21.2 miles per gallon and emits only 363 grams per kilometer of CO2. This is a significant improvement over Lamborghini's previous V12 models, which were known for their poor fuel economy and high emissions. The hybrid system also allows the car to drive in electric-only mode at low speeds, reducing emissions even further. Now let's talk about the design of this hypercar. The Revuelto Hybrid is inspired by Lamborghini's iconic Countach, with sharp angles and aggressive lines that give the car a futuristic look. The car has a low-slung profile and an aerodynamic body, which improves its performance and handling. The interior is just as impressive, with a minimalist design that focuses on driver comfort and convenience. The seats are made of lightweight materials and are designed to provide excellent support during high-speed cornering. The Revuelto Hybrid also comes with advanced technology features, including a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen. According to Car Expert, the car also has an advanced driver assistance system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features help the driver to stay safe and focused on the road, even at high speeds. But what about the price? The Lamborghini Revuelto Hybrid is priced at around $2.6 million. This makes it one of the most expensive cars in the world, but it also makes it one of the most exclusive. Lamborghini is only producing 112 units of this hypercar, making it a rare and highly sought-after collector's item. So that's everything you need to know about the Lamborghini Revuelto Hybrid. It's a stunning blend of performance and efficiency, with a powerful V12 engine and a sophisticated hybrid system. Would you prefer the Lamborghini Revuelto over the Aventador? Let us know in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content.